Previously on Extreme Hair Rescue.
So nice to meet you.
I watch all your videos. It's such an honor. I wanted to remake myself into somebody that was not just a caregiver.
Do we 100% know we're gonna fix it? No.
Welcome to LA.
I'm looking at Alfredo working over there, and I remember feeling Alyssa's hair, and I'm not so sure it's gonna be able to handle that bleach.
You don't want to alarm you. I'm seeing a little bit of an elasticity shift. Oh,
When hair is on fire, two superheroes show up and take the cases no one else will. This is Extreme Hair Rescue.
okay. So my gut's telling me I don't really want to push this anymore and we need to get this off.
As he's looking at my foils, I am so nervous. We can't do what I wanted to do to my hair or that it was going to start breaking.
All right, moment of truth. Yes.
Looking good?
I gotta be honest with you because I can be honest now.
Yeah.
Lightened, it did exactly what I wanted to do. I think we're gonna be able to get the brightness that we want.
So happy.
Get started on this color. Now we're gonna get into the corrective work. I just wanna create like some really nice softness, cool tones. All right, so we've processed, and I'm gonna start taking out the foils that have all the different tones in them. This is a make or break situation. I'm really nervous. It could completely throw this whole thing off and ruin the entire outcome of this hair. Okay. All right, her hair, no breakage, and the elasticity is perfect. We're gonna use the Peptide Prep Detox shampoo where I did the lightener. Sometimes there's like little bleach particles that can be stuck on the hair that you can't see. And obviously in your situation, we're not gonna let that happen. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the detox. Alyssa really took her hair to the brink. And normally I would never ever put lightener on hair like that in that stage. I've done one of these before for a bride and I really got to realize just how much hair means to someone on a special day like that. I do feel this sort of sense of like, I need to do this. I need to, you know, make this happen.
All right, you got the color done, I see. How exciting. This is amazing. We're gonna do the final part of the K18 repair service. We're gonna put the mask in one more time. All right. Work it in through the mids and the ends. Here we go. Moment of truth, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I can tell it feels better just from the first time, you know? Yeah. I'm absolutely in awe in how Alyssa's hair feels right now. So much healthier, so much stronger.
I'm so happy with it.
In my mind, I know this is Alyssa. It's the same person, but it definitely does not feel like it.
It's time for extensions. Yeah. How does that feel?
I'm so ready.
Hands in. We gotta do this. 1, 2, 3.
Pretty good for your first one, not bad. Breathe. Now just do this 200 more times.
We're going strand by strand
Yeah.
here. Did you know this was gonna be a 5-hour process?
No.
Honestly, the first 2 words that came to my mind was, oh,
We were looking around and it was just empty. The crew's gone home.
the crew is clocked out. It's been hours. This isn't about the cameras anymore. I think this has been 15 hours since we started. We're so close, guys.
So close.
Philip and I are in this to win it and get Alyssa's hair exactly how it needs to be.
All right, Alyssa, you ready?
You ready?
Here we go.
Go.
I'm in love. It's perfect.
When I see Alyssa's finished hair, the sense of pride, excitement, relief was overwhelming. It exceeded my expectations of what was going to be possible.
I feel amazing.
Okay. Amanda's almost here. Before she gets here, there's 2 things going on.
Okay.
All right. She sent me the inspo. So tell me, what do you think about this? Is that auburn to you?
It might be a little on the violet-y side.
I mean,
no?
to me, it's a more brighter red. I think it'll look good on her, though. The other thing is she keeps talking about wanting long hair. And you know how that gets.
Yeah.
My fear is that she's gonna come in with an unrealistic expectation.
Well, we got to make sure the hair can even handle it.
I just wanna make sure that we're super clear with her and that she's making the right choice that's gonna be best for her, not just for today, but like for the long haul, you know?
Right.
Oh, hey.
Hi,
You
good
made
morning.
it.
Amanda, hey.
Welcome.
How are you guys today? As soon as I walk in, they both give me a big hug, which just makes me feel like family. Looking forward to see what Alfredo and Philip thought of my inspiration photos that I sent to them.
All right.
All right.
We're here.
We're
Are
here.
you ready to get into this hair?
I am ready to get into this hair.
Okay, so this is where the magic happens, and trust me, we're gonna need a lot of it today.
Thing about these transformations that people don't understand is we are dealing with such compromised hair. The odds are not in our favor. I got your picture last night,
Okay.
your inspo pic. Yeah, I gotta be honest. I love it.
Do
I mean,
you?
the cliffhangers.
Right.
What is your hair capable of? But today, we're gonna make sure that you walk out of here happy.
Okay, that sounds perfect as far as that goes. Now, one thing I was thinking about is the length, and I was hoping to get that back today.
With Amanda, we were gonna be going into a red color, and red can be really unpredictable. Color matching with extensions is a really, really crucial, huge part of the process with a big color change like that.
Today is about the health of her hair more than the length.
I would love to get you to the color today that you want.
Okay.
And then obviously we need to color match if we did extensions. I'm not opposed to it. I almost think today we get the color going, and then maybe we have you back. I don't know.
So we'll
Does
see
that
what
sound good?
happens the next time around and make sure that this is healthy. I agree with that.
This is the journey. So today is step one. We're gonna get that health going, but we obviously gotta get the shape of this hair in a good state as well.
You don't like my triangle?
Now the good news is it's a pretty good length. I mean, for what it is. You mix that in with the color and it's gonna be healthier, we're in business, you know?
Sounds perfect.
Does that sound great?
Yes,
All
wonderful.
right.
I've seen Philip and Alfredo do this hundreds of times, and I can't believe now I'm sitting in their chair.
This is the molecular repair hair mist. Are you lurking back there?
Hey, let me help you with this.
Oh, hey.
Yeah,
Buckle up, bitches. We're in business. So let's do it.
let's go.
We have our work cut out for us.
We gotta saturate here. Ooh, that's a lot of hair.
It is, right?
Oh.
Now we're gonna start the color and the first stroke of change.
And there it goes. I love the color so far. Just the dye is beautiful.
Red is a feeling, right? It's just such a feeling. It's powerful, firecracker. I like that, you know?
Yes.
There's a sexiness about it. So I can't wait to see you as a redhead.
Oh.
We're getting there. All right. Are you ready to see where we're at so far?
I'm ready.
1,
Ooh.
2, 3.
Oh my goodness. It looks great.
Really the perfect base color that I want. We're just gonna intensify this and go with our next step. So I think it's time for the mask. Does
Let's
anybody
do
have,
the-
you have one? Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I just say how amazing it was to have my hair shampooed?
Natalia's the
that's
best,
the
right?
First time in years that somebody else has shampooed my hair.
There's nothing like somebody that knows how to shampoo hair.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna wait 4 minutes and I'm gonna have Natalia mix up our next formula. I can't wait.
I can't wait either.
All right. Be right
Thank
back.
you.
You're welcome. So we're gonna do a 7/7 stroke 0 with 3 parts of the 6/stroke 4/3. So let's fill her mids and ends with 8C. I think I even wanna maybe pull out some highlights and cover them in K18 foils, like maybe a T-top. Well, I was gonna do the test strands that we talked about, but K18 did such a good job.
It really
that
did.
Even with the filler, I can already see where we're going with this color. Like we got perfect gray coverage. It's right in the tonality that I want. So I feel really confident with my formulation.
Sounds beautiful.
Things are going really, really well. Were you surprised when you saw your color right now?
It's exactly what I had as a vision for it.
Music to my ears. It's time for your redhead era.
Yep.
Can't wait to see what Philip's gonna do too. Things are looking really good. The moment of truth, the last step, the gloss. So we're gonna leave this in for 10 minutes. We're gonna rinse, we're gonna shampoo with the K18 Damage Shield shampoo. And it's time for Philip.
All right, look at the color.
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh my goodness, it's so rich and amazing.
Yes.
Well, now we do the second half of the K18 repair and add some more mask.
Okay, I'm ready.
Where's the mask anyway? There you are. There we go. Oh, wow. I can feel the difference. Here we go. So this is gonna give me a good opportunity to kind of look at the difference in length, and then we'll match the top to it. So chin down just a little bit. Here we go. Look at that. So this next part, this is where you're gonna see the most hair probably come off at once.
I'm ready. There's a point where my hair is in front of my face and Philip is cutting to frame it, and he lifts it up just a little bit, and I catch this light reflecting off of my hair. I can't believe how beautiful my hair actually looks.
Amanda's hair is now shiny, it's super soft. It really does not feel like the same hair. All right, Amanda.
All right, Amanda, are you ready for the reveal?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Here we go.
Oh my God. Oh my God, it looks beautiful.
Seeing her eyes light up and knowing all the struggles that she went through for the past over a decade of her life, it gives me chills.
So how do you feel?
I love it.
I don't know who gets more out of this sometimes, me or the client. I'm just filled with joy. Seeing her confidence, there's no other feeling in the world like it. We did it, but more importantly, we did it.
Yes, we did it.
I am beyond excited to see Alyssa's transformation with her hair. I feel a little bit nervous. I'm hoping that she loves it. Look at you walking with confidence again. I love the hair. Her hair feels so soft, so silky, and she's gonna feel like the most beautiful bride that there ever is.
Alfredo and Philip, they saved my hair, they saved me. I feel like a whole new person. I already have my wedding dress picked out, and I am just imagining myself with this hair in my wedding dress, and it is perfect.
I'm just so happy that my best friend is happy. Alyssa's got the biggest heart of any person I've known, and she deserves to just feel the best.
I don't have words. It's definitely a one-in-a-lifetime experience.
I feel like I'm seeing the woman I used to be, independent and strong and always taking care of myself as well as others. And I think I lost her for a long time. I think that I look really beautiful. I'm not used to saying that. My mother sees me for the first time, she's gonna flip out.
I am nervous. I am excited. I can't wait to see her new hairdo. Oh my God!
What do you think?
You're back to being Amanda.
Yes.
Yes.
Do I look like I'm on fire?
Yes. She's back, baby. I love her hair.
I'm going to be heading home and starting a new job. I'm looking forward to that as well. It seems like everything is coming up beautifully for my life right now.
The thing about these transformations is we are dealing with such compromised hair. So when it comes out perfect like that, and you know it, there's no other feeling like it. I think Alyssa and Amanda's transformations might be the best ones that we've ever done.
I mean, they definitely were two amazing ones. What's with the flare?
This K18 headquarters. There's another extreme hair rescue.